There were personal bests for Shericka Jackson and Brianna Williams, but no medals for Jamaica on today's opening day of the Indoor World Championships in Belgrade, Serbia. There is also an injury concern for one of the nation's athletes.
Neither Shericka Jackson nor Brianna Williams lined up in the final as favourites, with both athletes more known for their outdoor qualities. Poland's Eva Swoboda was the world leader heading in, and the American pair of Mikaela Briscoe and Marybeth St. Price were fancying their chances. But it was World Championships bronze medalist Mujinga Kambunji who shocked the field. Kambunji clocked a world-leading and personal best 6.96 seconds to win, ahead of the American duo of Briscoe and St. Price, 6.99 and 7.04. Incidentally, Williams and Jackson clocked identical times as the bronze medalist, a personal best 7.04 seconds, but were 5th and 6th, having been separated by thousandths of a second. World Championships bronze medalist Stephanie McPherson will be in the women's 400-metre final after winning her semi-final in a season's best 51.26 seconds. She'll line up in lane 5 of the final, which is set for 1:55 p.m. on Saturday Jamaica time. Christopher Taylor, however, didn't finish his semi-final of the men's 400 metres, with his agent Dalton Myers later posting on Twitter that the Olympic finalist was suffering from discomfort in the knee. Renisha McGregor also missed out on a place in the 400-metre final after finishing 4th in her heat, clocking 52.89 seconds. In the field, world shot put silver medalist Danielle Thomas-Dodd was 6th in a season's best 19.12 metres in the women's shot put. 2015 world champion Danielle Williams and Olympic finalist Brittany Anderson will be the first Jamaicans in action on Saturday in the 60-metre hurdles at 4:50 a.m. Nigel Ellis will go in the heats of the 60 metres at 5:52 a.m. Jamaica time.